Hello you guys, what's up? This is your boy Brandon here with another video. And if you're here, it's because you want to know how to do these trending ceiling light cloud things with the lightning and shit you see all over TikTok, Pinterest, and all these other popular platforms. I'm not saying this is the correct way of doing it, but after doing my research and watching a handful of videos just like this one, this is how I decided to go about doing mine. So first I'm going to go over the supplies list. Of course you're going to need the POLLYFILL foam stuff. You can get that in any craft aisle, Walmart, sewing aisle, whatever, but let's be honest, spending money on this stuff, is it really something you really need, or is it more of a want because you want to see how this thing turns out? Because it is kind of cool. So what I did, and it worked perfect for me, is I have an old fella and I just tore the shit out of it and got all the stuffing out of it, and it works just fine. I mean, perfect. Also, you're gonna need some people are using the spray adhesive. Whatever you decide to do is up to you, of course. I just felt like that was just way too messy for me. A hot glue gun worked just fine, and poster boards, so you're not making a mess. Don't want to screw up your ceiling. Poster boards probably the way to go. What I used was a humongous canvas, the art that I have that I hate. So you'll need the lights, of course. You can get them anywhere. They have them in Walmart. They have them even at the dollar store. They're super cheap, Five Below. You'll find them anywhere online, of course. So let's get right to it.
On this part, this big old white square with a frame around it is a canvas that I think is ugly. Anyways, so now what I'm doing is I started by pulling off the backing off the light strip. I realized about halfway assing through it that just use some tape. I realized halfway through it was a pain in the ass to do the light strip, trying to turn it, curve it, all that other shit. It wanted to do its own thing. So I got the tape out, I broke the bad boy out, and I started taping that shit down, showing it who was boss. I wasn't really going for any kind of particular style as I was laying it down, other than trying to make sure that I covered up as much canvas as I can. So then I started putting down the cotton. And what is the deal with this shit? I put a little bit of cotton down on the bed and my dog started going to town on it like it was instinct. So I tried this little experiment with my other dogs, and same thing. Is it every dog like this?
Please let me know in the comments. I'm just curious to know. Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like. I think it turned out pretty badass. I've seen better ones, of course, but not bad for my first go. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Peace.